welcome back. So we've just come back from the Sounds, haven't we?
Yeah, we have.
And how did we get there, Greg?
We had to go by water taxi.
And why was that?
The boat broke down.
So we were just at Havelock and the boat stopped working,
Yeah.
so we had to get towed in.
Yeah, we need a good boat mechanic. Oh, that's me.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe.
And you said good too.
Yeah, I did,
oh.
yeah.
But the oars got a really good workout,
They
didn't they?
did, yes, we tested
First
the
time we've
oars.
used the oars.
Yeah.
That was pretty good to try and keep us off the rocks, so that was good. But yeah, went down the Sounds and no damage to the property down there.
No,
so
which is good.
that was pretty good. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's a
that's-
bit of damage in the bay though to other properties.
Yes, it is. It's
But we're
horrible.
okay. Yeah.
Horrible. This video, what's this about?
So we're in Lake Tekapo. We do a
Yep.
bit of a cycle around there.
Yes, and then we come back to Kaikoura and do a whale watch. Thank you, Andrew. Great Christmas present.
Yep, that was cool. But in between Tekapo and Kaikoura, we actually stayed at a NZMCA campground called Ealing, which is a little bit out of the way.
Yeah, it was. Yeah,
But
it was good though.
yeah,
Great.
kind of
Place.
quiet. We were sort of the only ones there.
Yeah, it was
I
good.
think us and another one. But yeah, no, it was really cool.
So, here's the video.
Cool, enjoy. So we're staying at the NZMCA right on the shores of Lake Tekapo. It's just through there. It's a short little walk to get there. There's a really cool bike track that you can bike to get into town, which is only just over there. So we'll try that tomorrow. It is a very cool campsite. In fact, we haven't actually gone to an NZMCA campsite that wasn't really good. This is right in the middle of the forest, so really cool. And just a very, very neat spot.
Can you check that the GoPro's on? Can you see something on the screen?
Yes, I can. It's me.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by.
And look at that. Beautiful thing there. And there's also a church. Because here is the beautiful thing right there. Look at that. And that's the, what is it, Sandy?
The Church of the Good Shepherd.
Church of the Good Shepherd, and it's famous because...
It's on the shores of Lake Tekapo.
Yep, okay. Not a bad day today. Oh, there's a seat next to that lovely girl.
So this is a very cool cycling and walking bridge at Tekapo. Very cool. Look at the views you've got as you're going over it. Pretty cool.
In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.
Oh, who have we got here? Cool dude. This is a picture of video of Greg videoing me. Me videoing Greg, Greg videoing me. So here we are at the Church of the Good Shepherd. Unfortunately it's closed, so we can't actually get the money shot of looking at the window to the shores of Lake Tekapo.
I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times,
Look like Benny Hill.
my way. 'Cause I found my way.
It's on the shores of Lake Tekapo. There's a whole lot of rocks all piled up. I know they do this in Canada to help find their way home, like a breadcrumb type thing, but I'm not too sure why it's here. Oh, who's that there? Oh, it's Greg.
On my way, my way. I found my way.
As far as dump stations go, this one would have to be right up there as one of the most picturesque ones in New Zealand. Something nice to look at when you're doing one of the worst jobs of caravanning. So here we are at the NZMCA park in Ealing. It's halfway between Lake Tekapo, where we've just been, and Christchurch, where we're going. So pretty ideal for us to stop here. It's a nice big park, holds up to about 70 vehicles. Only problem is it's right off State Highway 1, so the road noise during the day, definitely anyway, is pretty noisy, but we didn't actually notice it too bad last night. It was pretty good. Now there's no actual facilities here, but there is quite a cute little social room, so we'll just pop in and have a look. So here's a social room. It looked like it might have been a little church at some stage, and they have got a book swapping, so I just put my book in there and grabbed a couple of books out, so that's very cool. Love the service. You find them at quite a few of the NZMCA camps. It's really good.
What are we doing today?
We are waiting to go on our whale watch tour.
Wait, whereabouts?
Kaikoura.
Kaikoura, wow. Man, looks like a reasonable day.
Yeah.
A little bit of wind.
Hopefully we see some whales.
Yeah, that'd be
It'd
good.
be great on a whale watching
It
trip,
would be,
wouldn't
yeah,
it?
it would be good. Bang. Morning. How many horsepower has the boat got?
750 on each engine.
Cheapers. That's a lot. Yeah. Wow. So we're trying to find whales, Sandy.
Yeah, so apparently some planes went over earlier, about half an hour ago, and they spotted a couple and they dived down, and apparently the dive time is like 35 minutes to an hour that they stay under, and then they start coming up again. So that was, yeah, roughly 40 minutes ago, so we should be looking at seeing them shortly.
Yeah, cool.
Oh yes, look at that. Wow.
Sandy, what do we got? What do we got here?
Whale.
Yeah.
So folks, you're getting ready to dive, get ready to take your photos
Now.
Oh.
Well, congratulations folks.
Thank you, Captain.
Thanks so much, folks. Thanks for coming, guys.
Thank you. Here we are, stopped at Ohau on the Kaikoura Road, which is a nice stop, not very busy today. Just one other fellow camper banner. But the reason we stopped here is because there's a lovely view of lots and lots of seals. Yep. These, I think these are the female seals, aren't they, Sandy? Isn't it the male seals? Yeah, females and babies, and the males around more closer to Kaikoura. And when they get together, it's happy time. Hey, thanks for watching, guys.
What was going on with their hair and that? Jeez, we're blooming gypsies, eh? 6 months without a haircut. What's going on there?
I know.
Had one now, though.
Yeah, it looks much better now. Yeah. Cool. See you guys.
Cool, thanks.